my name is Diamond, and today I'll be telling you a little bit about plants. Plants are living things, and they are vital for our survival and animal survival. But how do they themselves survive? They survive by making food for themselves through a process called photosynthesis. And the things needed for photosynthesis is sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. They mix all these things together. But what will happen if there is more food than needed? The plant will either give it to its roots for storage, or maybe even the fruit of the plant. And plants are needed to survive for us and animals. How are they need to survive? Well, when a plant makes its food through photosynthesis, it also makes an extra thing. It makes oxygen. Oxygen is what we breathe. Carbon dioxide is what we exhale. And that's how plants are needed for our survival. Now, how can you mend a plant? I have my little fake plant right here. And the things needed to mend a plant is what is needed for photosynthesis, because without food, how can a plant survive? So I have sunlight. I have plenty of carbon dioxide. And I have water. And sometimes a plant needs a helping hand. So I've got tools. The parts of a plant. The parts of the plant are the leaves, the stem. This one doesn't have a flower, but it can have a flower. And from the flower comes a fruit. And then lastly, the roots. The roots are what stretch out to get water. So when we give our plant here water, the roots take it in to the leaves. The leaves make the food. And you need to make sure that your plant has plenty of sunlight. So you're going to put it right in front of the sun. And sometimes, you need to take care of the soil. Maybe the soil, it has fungi in it. And that won't help the plant's survival. So we need to take out some of that soil and replace it with some fresh soil. And when you're to plant, you use this tool that's kind of like a rake. You rake it, you plant the seed, and you just put it back. And that is all about plants. I hope you like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below.